Hello sweet corns, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Wow, I cannot believe we are at the end of 2025. Again, I was not constant with my uploads. I did not promise, but I tried, and my laziness failed me to be more constant. Well, let's not talk about that. I hope you guys are doing well, taking care of yourself, staying healthy, sleeping well, and eating lots of good foods. So for this video, I decided to end this year with a tab customization video. Plus, you guys seems to like my customization videos more. So here we go. For this customization, I decided to go with a black and white theme. So for that, first I'm going to download some images from Pinterest, black and white. So go to Pinterest, then search for black and white aesthetic images. For this project I'm going to need some PNG icons. So I'm going to show you how you can turn any image into a PNG transparent background PNG image without paying. Like you can do that on Canva, but you have to pay. I am going to show you how you can do that for free in IBX Paintex. So let's first download the images from Pinterest that you like, then import the image to the IBX Paintex and do what I am showing the steps. After importing the image to the IBX Paintex, click on this magic wand option here, then just select the white background that you want to remove and click on this transform option, then just move the white part in the out of the canvas like this. Yeah, I hope it making sense. So like this you can then save the image as a transparent background, and here you have the icon. You can use them as app icons or however you like, as sticker. Same way I created more transparent icons that I'm going to use to make the lock screen. So first select one image that has white in it and set this as lock screen wallpaper. Then add your clock that you want or widgets that you want. Then take a screenshot of the lock screen and import that image to IBX Paintex. Here we are going to create one new lock screen. So I am following this step because I don't want my images to overlap the clock or widget, so I am doing this. You can use any simple image if you want as lock screen as well, so I just like to do it extra. After importing the screenshot to IBX Paintex, here you can create a unique wallpaper for yourself. I just made a collage of all the PNG files that I made, and this is what I came up with. Then after you are happy with the lock screen wallpaper, you can save this image, but make sure to delete the screenshot layer first. Then save this to your gallery, and obviously make sure to turn off the transparent background option. Then save it to your gallery, and here you can set this as your lock screen wallpaper. Then add all the elements like clock or whatever widget you like on the lock screen. I just added the moon phase and a gallery widget, and this is I think the weather widget. You can add whatever you like here. Then yeah, done. The lock screen is done. Now we are going to do the home screen. Now for the home screen, set a white image white wallpaper for the home screen. Then these are the app folders that I created already, added to the home screen. I already showed you guys many times how to create app folders, so I am not going to show you here. And then I'm going to change the color palette, and I'm going to change the color palette to black and white. So just a long press or pinch on the home screen, then go to wallpaper and style, and here turn on the color palette option, and make sure to apply to the app icon option, obviously. And the next few steps are pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going to decorate the home screen with bunch of widgets that I like, and all of that images that I downloaded from Pinterest. So yeah, just add whatever widget you are like, and just decorate the home screen. Yeah, just follow the steps. I don't have much to say about these steps. I already showed you guys like in every tab customization video. So just follow the steps and decorate the screen however you like. So here on the first home screen I added some gallery widgets and the weather widget and Spotify widget and some app folders. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can change app icon, since you guys know that tab A9 Plus does not support good lock. So you have to download this third-party app called Shortcut Maker, and following the steps that I am showing you here, you can change any app icon. But if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to use a third-party app, you can just add a app folder like this. You can do that if you don't want to go through all the process of changing the app icons. But yeah, you have two options. You can do that however you like. So I'm going to change them and change the app icons, and I'm going to move 4 apps to the first home screen. Now let's go customize the second home screen. In my previous tab customization videos, I showed you guys how to create modes and routines, and here I'm going to show you how you can change the modes and routines icon to whatever image you like. So first go to settings, then click on modes and routines, then click on routine, and here tap on the mode that you created, on the routine that you created, and then click on this icon here. Then select one image from your gallery, or you can choose all of the icons that already have here. Then I'm going to select one image from gallery, then yeah, just set that as the icon, and here you have the modes and routines, but with your favorite image. Yeah, like this you can set that. As you guys can see, I am using lots of image from Hated Rivalry, and if you use any social media, you probably know what this is. This is a Canadian TV show, and so I was really sad because of One Punch Man season 3, and then at the last moment, at the end of this year, this show came out, and this is such a heartwarming show, and I'm really obsessed with this show for past couple weeks, and I still cannot process it. This is such a heartwarming and loving show that I don't know what people are saying about this show. I mean, this is my life right now, and yeah, and I cannot wait for the season 2 that going to come in 2027. I wish I stay alive for that. Oof, God. Yeah, I am super obsessed with this show. I don't know you guys can tell or not, but as a queer myself, I think this I wish I had parents like saints and they accept me, but this is not the reality. But still, this show is such a heartwarming. I always wanted a show with the happy queer ending, and so this is it, and I love it really. Not for the spicy scene though, but as a story I really love it. And one more thing, you all know how much I was hyped for One Punch Man season 3 anime, and that totally just break my heart, break my soul, break me. I am really disappointed and really sad. We all the One Punch Man fans were waited for 7 years, and that's what they came out with. Just thinking about this anime making me cry, and really I just don't want to talk about it anymore. But I really do love One Punch Man, and that is going to be one of my favorite media. 2025 was such a disappointed year for me. So how was this year for you guys? Let me know in the comments. And with this, I wish you guys a really happy new year, and I wish 2026 will be your year, and you guys will rock that year. Yeah, and I probably gonna spend the last day inside my room eating cake and watching Heated Rivalry again and again. But anyways, and I am not promising, but I will try to be more constant in 2026. Yeah, I have a plan, because yeah, I am getting older, so I have to do something. Job is really not a thing for me. I don't have any degree, so yeah, never getting a job. I am never going to get any serious job, so I have to do something. Anyways, thank you so much for being so nice to me this year, although I was a lazy potato. So but thank you so much guys for your lovely comments and support, and yeah, love you guys. Just love you guys, sweet corns. I really love you guys, and you guys are my only friends, because I really don't have anyone in my real life. I'm so lonely. I am so lonely. Anyways, have a nice year, have a nice safe year. Bye bye guys, love you.